Sikubingelele sikwamukele kwezemidlalo. Ibhodi lenhlangano eyengamele ikhilikithi kuleli iCSA seligcinele izwile ikhalo ebeyivela kubantu abahlukene zokuthi lisuse isikhulu salenhlangano uThabang Murwe umisiwe njengoba kusenziwa uphenyo mayelana nokusetshenziswa kwemali kulenhlangano. Le indaba ilandele isimemezelo somxhasi omkhulu weqembu lesizwe labesilisa iStandard Bank sokuthi angeke isayivuselela inkontileka yayo neCSA uma iphela ngoMbasa wangonyaka ozayo.
Inhlangano leyengamele tekhilikithi kuleli iCricket South Africa itfele emasonvo eNyathi. Emalunga ebhodi yeCSA asolo ayayisaqada ngalinye sikhuluma nje kuleli viki sekushiye phasi emalunga lamathathu.
Standard Bank has decided not to renew the relationship with Cricket South Africa, which ends at the end of April in 2020. This is because of our concerns of developments that have been visible from CSA.
Kuhamba kweStandard Bank ku-CSA kutawuba nemthelela lomubi ekutfutfukiseni lomdlalo wetekhilikithi kuvelonke.
Not only through the Proteas, but also through the development program that ensures that young talent over the years come through and become the next cricket stars.
Sekutawucaca kusasa kutsi ngutiphi-ke tinqumo lokutawuphunywa nato kulomhlangano lotawube useKempton Park. Mina-ke ngingumduduzi Ndlovu, leti tindzaba te-SABC ngiseJozi.